The beauty secret lies in the stock. A milky collagen broth made from chicken's cartilage. Collagen provides building blocks for your body to produce healthy skin, hair, teeth, and nails. Blanching the wings gets rid of the scums. It helps to produce milky white broth. This is an optional step. You can leave the meat on if you like, but you won't be eating them anymore because they are going to be tasteless at the end of 8 hours of simmering. Broth is properly prepared, it will give you a rubbery, jelly-like consistency due to the high gelatin content in the collagen. The broth requires a light touch of salt and pepper to taste. Enjoy your collagen broth.